Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the OS and the app version so you know which menu to use. Once confirmed, check whether full screen or tablet mode is active, because these modes hide side toolbars. Next, make sure your keyboard shortcuts are ready. Win+I or CMD+ option will speed things up, and connect any second monitor briefly to test display behavior. Begin by opening the app and locating the tiny handle or gear at the edge. That is your control for the toolbar. Once you see the toolbar handle, open the View or Window menu to find Dock, Toolbars, or Sidebar settings, because that's where positioning lives. Change dock position to left or right and toggle Auto Hide. You want to test each setting while watching how the UI responds. If the app supports workspaces or custom layouts, reset the toolbar layout or create a fresh profile so corrupted settings don't persist. Make sure to apply and close menus to force the UI to redraw before moving on. Finalize by restarting the app, and if that fails, restart the computer or log out and back in. This clears transient display caches. Next, update the app and graphics drivers because mismatched drivers can misplace UI elements, but if a recent update caused the issue, roll back that update. If problems persist, reset app preferences or reinstall the app as a last resort, and here's a key troubleshooting tip. Try creating a new user account. If the toolbar works there, the problem is profile-specific, not system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.